Now let's have a look back at the rain that we had last night in England and Wales. You probably heard it, you may well have been caught out by it, but we had another inch of rain in Northolt and in North Wales, and over half a month's worth of rain in just a few hours in Nottingham. That wet weather then moved its way into Lincolnshire, where we had this really wet start in the morning. But that rain has moved away now, and we're left with a few showers. And really, through the rest of the week, it's looking much better. It will be turning drier, and those temperatures are going to be rising as well. Well, we certainly had a lot of that, Anna, across the UK. And it was a wet start this morning for some of us, but it has been brightening up, the weather improving. There are some showers around, mind you.
How's the weather?
Oh, well, amazing. About to be. It's creeping up. We could maybe even get to a 29 or a 30
Wow.
as we head into the weekend. Here we go. Summer's arrived for a few days. Let's take a look. Downside of the hot weather, apart from, of course, if you don't like hot weather, is the pollen, which is going to be high for the next few days, and it's mostly grass and some weed pollen in there as well. That's it for now. I'll see you later on. Cheerio.
But again, those highest temperatures will be in the southeast of England, 29, possibly even 30 degrees to close the week. After all that heat, the next question is, how long is it going to last? Into the weekend, it starts to change. We've got some heavier rain developing. That's going to push its way eastwards, dropping the temperatures, but it still could be quite warm for eastern parts of England on Saturday.
Are you going to put that on?
Royal honours don't just get bestowed on human beings. Meet Tamsin, an 8-year-old golden Guernsey goat. Today, her rare breed got special recognition. They are now royal golden Guernseys. Daniela Ralph, BBC News, St Peter Port.
All right, let's take a look at the weather now. Or do we really want to? I'm not sure. Thomas.
Walk off the screen, Fiona. You know, that rain yesterday, it was torrential. And you know what? We still have a few showers around this evening, around Yorkshire, the northeast of England. But this headline may surprise you. We are only very briefly going to turn really quite hot, but it will be quite concentrated across the south of the UK. Now, this is in blue here, colour-coded, the jet stream. Look at the pattern. It's shooting off to the north and to the south. Briefly, the doors will be open for hot air to stream in from Spain. That's still to come.
And after the downpours yesterday evening, I think it's fair to say we're still searching for summer.
Well, there might be signs of summer to come. There's some good news on the way, Riz, but we did have some torrential downpours, didn't we? But today, we did also have some showers around. Not as heavy as we've seen the rain that last night, but there were some heavy ones around, but also in the cloud, breaking to allow some brighter spells. This was a scene captured by one of our weather watchers from Harrow on the Hill. But as Riz said, torrential downpours yesterday evening, and I thought I'd look at some of the rainfall totals of July so far, because July so far has been quite wet. In fact, Northolt in West London tops the list at 101.2 millimetres of rainfall in just these first 2 weeks. That's over double the monthly average, and elsewhere across the capital and into Surrey as well, 1.5 times the monthly average so far, and we're only mid-month. But if you're after some drier, brighter weather, well, you're in luck, as we're drawing in some very warm, if not hot air from the south over the next few days, and temperatures by Thursday and Friday could climb up to around 30 Celsius.
Hello there. Things did brighten up a bit today, but still temperatures peaked at around 20 or 21 degrees. We've also seen some heavy showers developing in Scotland and northern parts of England as well. But once those move away overnight, the next few days, the rest of the week, looking much more promising with drier and warmer weather on the way as well.